Who?
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued
They are
a
listening.
flood warning for southeastern Washington County and central Kentucky, Boyle County and central Kentucky until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Listen, they're doing double bells. They're gonna do another song, okay? Yep.
Low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include
That's good enough.
Junction City, Fairfield, Palm Springs, Pittsburgh,
Getting out.
How am I going to see? I can't leave the car.
Turn around.
Shoot!
Don't turn when encountering
Stupid Sue.
to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
Well, I am truly sorry. That all went down at once. Now, I will tell you the truth. Even though that went off as soon as I started recording, I didn't mean for that to happen, truly. Truly, I'm sort of mad because it ruined the clock. So here's what I found out today. Berea College playing songs. And apparently they're playing the chimes manually because they're doing more than one note at a time. So you can play I've learned that you can play the chimes manually. I've learned that they've hired bell ringers here